So today we are doing a get ready with me, but really more. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair, and we are going to exfoliate and cleanse our bodies, as today is exfoliation day. And of course, you guys just know how it goes. So to start, we're going to use our botanical yoni wash. This is only for my private area. I do not put soap in that area. And then I have our Jamaican turmeric soap and also our aloe vera soap for my skin and my face. And then I have our exfoliating body scrub from our Jamaican turmeric line. So I went ahead and shampooed my hair using the Hair Repair and Restore shampoo and conditioner. My hair was super duper dry, but strengthening is definitely important. So when I start off, I like to go ahead and apply my aloe vera soap to my face, or you can use our dark spot corrector soap on your face. This is definitely good for me because I just finished off my female cycle and I had a little bit of acne going on. So this is gonna definitely help. Now I like to put my soap on my face and then I go ahead and do my exfoliating and allow my soap to really absorb, just so that I can get into some real deep cleansing action. And then we'll start off with our exfoliation. So this is our Jamaican turmeric body scrub. This is an exfoliator. It's nice and light and fluffy. And it is actually powered with pink Himalayan salt. So I'm going to use that to exfoliate my body. Now you can use a sea sponge, which will have those soon, or you can use your hands to apply your exfoliator. The purpose of exfoliating your body is to really cleanse the impurities, get into those pores, get a lot or extract a lot of that previous or those dead skin cells off of the body, as well as previous products that you might have left on the body. You know, our body absorbs a lot of the lotions, that kind of thing. So exfoliating is definitely important. I try to do that at least once or twice per week. Now, I do not exfoliate in my intimate area, which is my vaginal area. I do not put anything other than our Goddess Yoni wash in that area because that area is super sensitive. But I exfoliate the rest of my body. And then, of course, if you have a loofah or a hand sponge, you can use that to exfoliate your back, which in this video, I did not exfoliate my back because, as you guys can tell, your arms can't reach back there. And I did not have my handheld exfoliator with me for me to be able to get to that area. But definitely make sure you are exfoliating your back, okay? Make sure. Or you can get your mates to come and do it for you. But for video purposes, we got to keep it clean, guys. Keep it clean. And then I do also exfoliate my inner thighs. That area gets nice and dark because my legs rub together. Most of us do. And I exfoliate that area as well. So after I'm done with the exfoliation, I usually go through and do my armpits last because I know that I'm going to go through and use our soap to wash my body. So I'm one of those people where even though I exfoliate and our exfoliator is made with actual foaming soap, I still like to take an actual bath after that because I just feel like I'm not super duper clean until I literally have used actual soap on my body. Don't judge me, you guys. That's just how I am. All right, so I'm just kind of tying my swimsuit behind my back so that I can use the soap. Of course, you know your girl still has to go through and take a full-on bath. But for the purpose of this video, because I had to wear my bathing suit, I wanted you guys to be able to see everything. Now, I did wash off the soap off of my face. Now, you don't want to leave the soap on for too long, mainly because you don't want to dry your skin out. It is still soap. So what I'm using is our Jamaican turmeric soap. I actually use a washcloth for my showers and baths. Some people like to use loofahs or sponges. I like my bath cloth, I like my washcloth. I'm just one of those people. So I go ahead and soap up my rag. Now the turmeric soap also has oatmeal in it. It is nice and soothing on the body. It suds really, really well. It smells great, but it helps to leave your body feeling supple and soft outside of even exfoliating. So, you know, even with exfoliation, the goal of exfoliation is to really remove any dead skin cells. And then when I go back through with our turmeric soap, this is to help add that glow to my body. Now, of course, you got to wash your back. That's why I like to use a washcloth. And then I wash my legs and my feet. Now, I do not use soap in my vajayjay. So I'm going to wash my hands off. And I am going to be using our Elite Boric Acid Wash on my hands. No rag. To cleanse my private parts. Now, you guys know you should not be using anything other than a fragrance and dye-free soap in that area. And also, you don't want to use like loofahs and all of that, they hold a lot of bacteria. So you're just transferring bacteria onto your vajayjay. And then I use that for my front and my back. So if you know what the front is, you know what I mean. You know what the back is, you know what I mean. And then I clean those parts. I do not put my fingers inside the parts. I'm just cleaning the external areas. So I'm rinsing off the conditioner that I had put on my hair, which is the hair repair and restore conditioner. I allowed that to kind of just turn into a deep conditioner while I was in the shower. This is the perfect place because your pores actually open up. And this is the great place for you to give yourself that nice steam action. And it left my hair feeling super duper soft. Like my hair felt super soft. And don't mind my facial expression. I do not like when water hits my face, but I deal with it. That was an insider, you guys. And then I always wash behind my ears. Some of you don't wash behind those ears. Let's get into the habit of these things. But I wash behind my ears with my soap, which was my Jamaican turmeric soap, and my aloe vera soap. So I'm one of those people. And then, of course, I rinse my body off really, really well. And really and truly, you guys, my bath time is over. But I wanted you guys to really get to see the insides of the real working of how this works and the best way to do it. So now that I am now out the bath, I'm going to give you guys a little secret. While you are wet, this is the perfect time to hydrate dry skin. So I'm using our Jamaican turmeric body butter along with our newer product, which is our body oil. This body oil is great for those of you who have severely dry skin like myself. And I actually mix it with my body butter and I put it on right after I just kind of towel blot my skin. So I'm still kind of damp. My pores are still wide open. And that is the best time to put on your body butter cocktailed with our body oil. The body oil will be available soon. So you guys will be able to have access to both. The body butter is infused with turmeric as well, so it's going to leave you with that nice suppleness. But it's not going to give you that overly glossy look on the skin. I hate to see that. You just want the skin to feel nice and soft and hydrated. That is the goal of the cocktail with the body butter and the body oil. Okay, I use both, you guys. I have dry skin. My thyroid, all of these different things work against me. So I definitely use both. And the magic to it is doing it right after you get out of the shower, right while your body is still dewy. Of course, I had to put a dress on because I didn't want to expose myself to you guys. But you want to just keep the body dewy when you're putting it on because the pores are open and they're going to lock in with all of that beautiful moisture that you just put in on your body. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All of the products that I mentioned are available at EliteTotalBodyCare.com. And then, of course, the hair care products are available at EliteHairCareUSA.com. I'll see you guys later. Bye.